Now, big question.
Oh.
The most common mispronounced way you heard customers say Aiphone.
Comlet? No, just kidding.
Ooh, that's a good question. Oh. I hear Airphone a lot.
Aiphone. I hear Aiphone a lot.
A lot of Airphone.
Definitely Airphone. Actually, I have somebody calling in for help with their old Airphone system, and I had to tell them, sorry, ma'am, wrong company.
A1 phone a couple of times.
I've heard Aiphone or Airphone are the two big ones.
Usually it's Airphone or AIphone.
Airphone, AIphone.
The worst is when they say Airphone. The absolute worst is Airphone.
iPhone.
Airphone?
Aiphone. Aiphone.
iPhone.
Airphone, Alphone.
Japan has the Aichi prefecture. Then we started making the intercom. So we took Aichi's I and Interhon's Hon, then Aichi's Interhon. So that's why iPhone. Can you pronounce it?
Aiphone.
iPhone.
iPhone.
Aiphone.
iPhone?
Bayphone.